In this video, let's learn how to hide apps on your mobile home screen. You can see all applications on my home screen. Let's try to hide an application. Now I am going to hide calculator. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down and go to home screen option. In here you can see hide apps on home and apps screen option. Click on it. In here you can select any application you want to hide. Now I select calculator and click on done button. Now I come to my home screen. Now we cannot see calculator on my home screen. Now let's try to search and find. We cannot find calculator on my home screen. Let's try to unhide this application. Go to mobile settings and go to hide apps option. You can see calculator is selected to hidden apps. I can remove it. After I click on done button, again let's check. Now we can see calculator on my home screen like this. In this method you can hide and unhide application on your mobile home screen.